Yet again, I'm Allison and that is Cassidy, and we are doing the bread challenge, which is where you have to eat a slice of bread in 45 seconds and you can't have any water.
I have to eat it, actually.
Yeah,
Okay.
you have to. Oh, no, okay.
Oh, and there's water to see if someone fails.
Okay, ready? 1,
Go.
2, 3.
Eat it faster than that. Just stuff it in your mouth. You're eating it like tense. Oh my god. You're taking like little bird bites. Hurry up.
Not as easy as it seems.
You're taking forever. There we go. That works. Hurry up. How are you?
10 more seconds.
And fail. You're, okay, yeah. Throw it all over the ground. Let the dogs eat it. That's cool. My turn now, and I can do better than that. Hopefully, here.
It's not really that easy.
Don't drink it all. Don't.
I'm not drinking at all. Laura, calm down. Okay.
Where's the bread? For some reason, this bread is smaller, and I don't know why.
I think my dog took a bite of it,
Yeah,
possibly.
Whatever.
Okay.
Are you timing me?
1, 2, 3.
This is hard.
How about, can I be me next?
Sure.
This is difficult. I'm trying to swallow.
I know I couldn't swallow either. That's why I was going.
Time.
25.
Nose whistle.
35.
Oh.
Time is up.
Yep, time is up. Fail.
Not even.
Yeah, she failed. She's just in denial.
Barely. Barely filled it.
Okay, now my adorable little sister wants to try too. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Make sure she just doesn't choke.
Don't choke on it.
I won't.
I need water. If she does, I'm gonna be mad. Keep eating.
Keep eating.
And distraction. And
Time.